Hi, I'm Tereza with PotomacBeads. Today we will work together on quite a fast project I call Star Web earrings with Potomac Crystal Rivoli, Miyuki Slender Bugles and SS28 Chatons for some extra bling. So if you want to work with me, gather the beads and let's do it. Today we will create a quick project with Potomac Crystal 14mm Rivoli, Miyuki Slender Bugles and SS28 Bezeled Chatons, and there's also a bit of 11/0 and 15/0 Miyuki Seed Beads. So I will be working with wildfire thread, and you can work with size 10 needle maybe later, because you go quite a few times through the 15/0s. You might want to switch to size 12 if you have any issues, but I finished it all with size 10. So to start, I will show you that the chaton has 4 holes, and it depends in this project in which way we will be threading the chaton. Here in the beginning we will go horizontally, so through these neighboring holes, and put on 4 slender bugles and 4 of these chatons. Slide them down to the end of your thread and make a knot to create a circle, and another one, and the last one. So now your thread should be close to the chaton, and what we want to do is to go to the chaton and come out actually horizontally this time. So go in and get out across, so in the back. Now we are trying to create like small basket for the Rivoli, so we will be switching to the back side and put on 1 slender bugle, 11/0 and another slender bugle, and go to the next chaton, and you go this time again horizontally, so through the neighboring holes. Again 2 bugles with 11/0 between them, going through the next chaton, through the neighboring holes, through the empty ones basically, two more bugles and 11/0, and the last couple, and I'm going through the chaton like I did, and I also need to step up, so I will go through the first bugle and the first 11/0. Now I will insert the Rivoli facing the crystals, so put it there into the middle and pick 1 11/0 and go to the next 11/0 here and pull, so that this arm, which will be holding the Rivoli, folds on the back on the Rivoli. Pick another 11/0 and do the same through the next 11/0, which was between the bugles. Another 11/0, going through the next one, and the last one, and pull. So adjust the position of the Rivoli and you should have now something like this. And now what we want to do is to go around through the whole beads, finishing again in the first one, just to pull pull the circle together. So this is all the 11 rows we actually use, so we will be switching to 15 rows now and doing the sides here. So go up through the bugle next to the 11 row, and then go across through the chaton again to the back, oh sorry, to the front. And now pick a bugle, a 15 row, and a bugle again, and go to the next chaton, this time again horizontally through the neighboring holes, and do this 3 more times. Always pick bugle, 15 row and a bugle, and go around. When you're finishing the last one, you can go directly to the back, so you will go through the chaton horizontally instead of vertically. Oh, sorry, you will go diagonally instead of horizontally. So you will want to get to the back like this, because we'll be adding just 1 by 1 bugles. So pick one and go through the 15 row here at the tip and pull. Pick another 15 row, another bugle, and go down through the chaton. We will be working in the back, so I'm going again horizontally. Picking another bugle, going through the tip, another bugle, going through the chaton. And like this, 4 more bugles around. After you finish this, we will be going up to here, adding a new section. So I finished in the chaton, and I will put on now 2 bugles and 1 15 row between them, like this. And I'll be going through the 15 row again, here at the tip, and repeating this. So now when I'm here in the 15 row, I will go back down to the chaton, going again through horizontally. Need to sometimes position the beads so they sit nicely. And like this I will go around, doing 2 bugles and a 15 row between them every time. When you finish this row, you should have something looking like this, and coming out on of the chaton in the back. Now we want to connect the sides, the openings here above the chatons. So I need to first get there, and I will go through the bugles and the 15 rows. When I'm finally here, exiting from the 15 row, I will pick 1 bugle and go to the next 15 row. So I will close the gap here, again continue through the beads to get to the next place. There I will pick another bugle, go to the next 15 row, and I need to add 2 more bugles now here at these points. In the end, your thread should be coming out of the 15 row, and now we have to add the ear wire. So first put on 2 bugles and 1 15/0 and go around back to the 15/0 here. So I'm doing like a circle, and I'm coming out also from the 15/0 here, and then I will go up through the bugle and to the 15/0. There I will put on 4 15/0s and the ear wire. Just make sure it's facing the right way. And then go back to the 15/0 through the other side. And pull. Adjust the position of the ear wire and go one more time through the beads and the ear wire, finishing again at the tip here. And then go down through the bugle, and to finish like the whole circle I will go once more through the 15/0, the bugle between them, and the 15/0 on the other side. And that's it. You can pull the beads a bit, adjust the position so it's all symmetrical, and now I will go down somewhere to find a spot to knot off the thread and hide the ends together with this one. Here we already have the knot, so we're fine on here. And then the earrings are finished. And this is it. These are the star web earrings with rivolis, slender bugles and chatons. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial. I hope you had fun doing this beading. If you have any questions, if you have any comments, ask us in the YouTube comment section, or you can post your comments and questions or pictures into our Facebook group for beading and jewelry making. So thank you very much, and I will see you in the next one.